songs. Would you like to hear some English songs now? Okay. Now, before we sing, I was told by Mr. Michael Connick that our special guest tonight, Ms. Charmaine Clammer, will be available for pictures and for signing of her CD after the show. So if you want to take pictures with our band, okay, would you like to take some pictures with our band? And also Ms. Charmaine Clammer, we can do that after the show, okay?
Yes.
So,
Philippine music is a mixture of indigenous music and some Western music as well.
that's right. So, here's a medley of some favorite English duets that have influenced some of our Philippine music. All right?
Okay.
And this came from some of your favorite Broadway, some of your favorite R&B songs, and you know, some of the other favorite songs that we listen to on the radio, right? And this is for all of you.
Sing once again with me, a strange duet. My lover over you
me in something new. What I could have with you, but now I'm not ready to kiss my dreams goodbye.
When is this good as no? Say you know.
I need you so I'm ready to go. Fire to the limit, to the wall, or just to be with you, never risk it all. To the fire, do whatever come your way. For a chance to love you, take it all the way, right down to the wall, even to the wall. To the test of time, to the limit, to the wall, or just to be with you, never risk it all. To the fire, do whatever comes your way, for a chance to love you, take it all the way, right down to the wall, even to the wall.